If you need a hug in a bowl, this is it. Today we are making rich and creamy red lentil stew that transforms humble root vegetables like swede and carrots into pure comfort food. It's warming, it's wholesome, and of course delicious. Let's get cooking. We start with an onion. Let's chop it and add to a large pan. This stew is freezer friendly, so we are cooking a big batch. Now, 2 large carrots. Peel, slice, and add to the pan with onion. Start cooking on low heat while we deal with our Swede or rutabaga. Peel and dice into smaller cubes. It's a tough vegetable, so be careful, watch your fingers when you are working with it. And don't worry, it will become nice and soft when cooked. Add Swede to the pan with other veg. You can increase the heat now, so the vegetables start to caramelize. Next goes finely chopped garlic and spices, like smoked paprika and chili powder if you like a little heat. Warm the spices for a few seconds and add 1.5 cups of red lentils, a couple of bay leaves and a few sprigs of thyme. Season with salt and add water, just enough to cover the lentils. Cover with a lid and let bubble for 10 minutes while we peel and dice the potatoes. Add potatoes to the stew and cook until they are almost done. So, tomatoes. You can use chopped tomatoes, but I like using plum and just squashing them up with my hand. But you can use potato masher for that if you want. Add tomatoes to our stew and cook until all the vegetables are soft. Meanwhile, we are going to chop 250 grams of spinach. Throw it in, let wilt for a couple of minutes, and our hearty, nutritious stew is ready.